Welcome to our Partner Quick Start Guide. In this third video tutorial, we'll show you how to create and assign member attributes in the Partner platform. Attributes are an additional way you can categorize and sort your members later during mapping and analysis. We include two default attributes for all members: sector type, such as nonprofit, public, and private, and functional area of the organization. You can add additional attributes of your choosing to provide more ways to analyze and map your network data later on. First, to manage your network attributes, navigate to the Attribute Manager. From the Member Manager, click Edit and Assign Attributes at the top of the project menu. In order to add an attribute, look to the top of the Attributes page and click Edit. Add your new attribute, name, and each possible type. For example, I might categorize members according to their role in the network. The attribute would be network role, and the types might include options like backbone organization, facilitator, member, and funder. To assign attributes to network members once you've created them, navigate back to the Attributes page. Use the search function to find the members you wish to assign an attribute, and scroll right to the attribute you're interested in. Select the type for that member. You can also use the Bulk Edit button to assign attribute types to multiple members at the same time. Once you've created all of the members of your network and added their attributes, you're ready to start creating a network survey for your project. We'll walk through that process in our next video.